Gaano kaimportante yung learning action plan or yung capstone or yung pagkakaroon ng follow-through session after a couple of months or 3 months after the training? I-share ko sa inyo yung nangyari sa akin kaninang umaga where I facilitated a follow-through session for participants of logical, critical, and creative thinking training para sa isang kliyente namin na manufacturing company. And hopefully, this will inspire you to make this part of your organization's practice if you are an HR manager or an L&D manager or owner of your company. No? Sa Executive kasi, we offer this package, no? At hindi laging kinukuha ito ng mga kliyente because may mga HR or L&D practitioners na medyo events-oriented ang kanilang appreciation ng learning. No? Pag nakandak na yung seminar or training, tapos na. Pero kasi if you go the extra mile, ito yung pwede mo makita when people are made accountable for applying what they learned from the training. No? Basahin ko lang yung ilan. Yung isang member ng customer service team ay na-reduce yung mishandling of products, improved inventory organization, enhanced efficiency, at nagkaroon din siya ng stronger confidence in his ability to supervise and higher engagement among members of the team. So, ang success metrics niya, fewer damaged products, higher order accuracy, faster processing, and better inventory management. That's just one person out of the 18 persons who attended the training, and all of them reported improvements in performance. The one from sales, increased market penetration, enhanced company reputation, improved operational efficiency that led to sales growth. Nahit niya yung target niya, umigsi yung kanyang shorter marketing cycle, at nagkaroon ng more customer adoption according to him. One more, increased retrieval efficiency sa sa customer service din, optimized warehouse space, improved KPI. So nagkaroon ng less overdue retrievals, higher collection rate, and a lot of time saved. So those are just 3 persons out of 18. Can you imagine if you're able to calculate the impact of training? Isang beses lang nilang gamitin yung lesson, nakapag ROI na tayo. And what this does is that this makes people more confident and more excited about doing this again, because during the follow-through session, when we started counting all the effects of our efforts, we felt that we multiplied the value of the training, and people are now more excited to try it out, go another cycle, and try to improve things. You can do this for customer service training, leadership, management, all kinds of training. It's very important that people recognize that the true learning happens when they start applying the lessons back in the workplace. Of course, importante dyan yung commitment ng HR, ng L&D, yung willingness of the immediate superior of the participants to provide the necessary support. And if we can do this, we can get a lot of return of investment on training, and you will never think about cutting training when you have to save on cost, because training is not a cost, it's an investment. I hope this